It's been a good year for tech, of course. Apple and Oracle amongst those hitting new highs, but not every stock has been so fortunate. Today, we're going to take a look at a couple of tech laggards for this year that could well prove profitable for you in 2011. Joining us with his turnaround trade, Brad Gastwirth, who's Managing Director and co-founder of ABR Investment Strategy. Morning, what's the top pick then?
Good morning. Well, there's two names that we like. We like AU Optronics and these are both different. AU Optronics is a turnaround, very low valuation, trading below book value. And then Atheros is a very interesting name, probably one of the best secular winners in technology, exposed to wireless data growth, mobile computing, the digital home, and you're going to see that market expansion grow significantly. So both very different. I could talk about either if you'd like.
Well, which is which is your best?
Okay, so Atheros is really the secular winner. So the reason we like Atheros, if you just, let's use an analogy I think a lot of your viewers would know. The iPhone, for example, a lot of people experience drop calls with their iPhone. So wireless carriers are really looking for ways to offload people from their network. Wi-Fi is a great solution, and if you look at the unit market in cell phones, between 1.2 to 1.3 billion units, about 100 million, 150 million units currently have Wi-Fi. Next year, you're going to see 300 to 400 million units have Wi-Fi, so it's a significant market expansion in the handset arena.
Let's talk about AU Optronics, ticker AUO.
Yep.
They are a leading flat panel manufacturer, is that correct?
That is correct.
Isn't that a commodity business?
It is, and that's the interesting thing. So right now we're trading below book value. We're trading at about 0.95 price to book. Typically, these stocks trade a little bit over book value. So just right off the bat, we're trading at a significant discount. Now, if you look at the current fundamentals, demand is starting to stabilize, pricing is starting to increase a little bit, and we're coming into Chinese New Year, which is early February, and that should act as a catalyst. A lot of their business comes from Asia-Pac region, and just looking at the Chinese wages, wages in China increased dramatically year over year, and that's going to really help trickle down to the consumer, and you should see more consumer electronics being bought.
I was unaware of that tradition. It's Chinese New Year, so Asians go out and buy a new TV?
Yeah, I mean, there's three major holidays in Asia. You have Chinese New Year, which is early February.
Right.
You have the Golden Week, which is in May and October. So those three national holidays, Golden Week May and Golden Week October, were established in the early 2000s. Yeah. So we're only a decade of actually having those national holidays in Asia. ABR, we have a very solid Asia team. We go there very frequently, and there's a significant purchasing power right now going on in China, and consumer electronics are certainly selling.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate the update.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
All right, in today's street poll.